crashed on the floor when I moved in this little bungalow with some strange new friends. Stay up too late and I'm too thin. We promise each other it's till the end. Now we're spinning empty bottles, it's the five of us, with pretty-eyed boys, girls die to trust. I can't resist the day, no I can't resist the day. Jenny screams out and it's no.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, have I got it? 'Cause mirror, you've always told me who I am, and I'm finding it's not easy to be perfect. So sorry, you won't define me. Sorry, you don't own me. Who are you to tell me that I'm less than what I should be? Who are you? Who are you? Yeah, yeah, I don't need to listen to the list of things I should do. I won't try, no, I won't try. Mirror, I am seeing a new reflection. I'm looking into the eyes of who you made me, and to him I have beauty beyond compare. I know he defines me. Yeah. Who are you to tell me that I'm less than what I should be? Who are you? Who are you? Yeah, yeah, I don't need to listen to the list of things I should do. I won't try, no, I won't try. You don't define me. I waited for you today, but you didn't show. No, 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 I needed you today. So where did you go? You told me to call, said you'd be there, and though I haven't seen you, are you still there? I cried out with no reply, and I can't feel you by my side, so I'll hold tight to what